the outstanding movie reporter, Mr. Rodel Ocampo Fernando, Vice President, Philippine Movie Press Club. Mr. Rodel O. Fernando is a Filipino entertainment journalist and media executive currently serving as Vice President of the Philippine Movie Press Club Star Awards Incorporated. As outstanding movie reporter, Mr. Rodel Ocampo Fernando. A round of applause.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given in recognition of our awardees' invaluable support and contribution to the advocacy of the Public Attorney's Office in providing free, accessible, and quality public service to its clients. Given this May 2026 during the 9th MCLE Grand National Convention of PAO at the World Trade Center in Pasay City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD JD, Chief Public Attorney.
Let us now hear the acceptance speech of our awardee.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Isa po napakalaking karangalan ang makatanggap po ng recognition at parangal mula po sa Public Attorney's Office sa pangunguna po ng ating pinakamamahal at magiting na tagapagtanggol ng bayan, si PAO Chief Attorney Persida Acosta. Hindi lamang po siya nagsisilbing tagapagtanggol ng bayan, kundi isa rin po siyang mapagkalingang ina. Happy Mother's Day po, Chief. Maraming salamat po. Sa Diyos po ang kapurihan.